Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the workbook and pulling fresh data. Open the file and immediately refresh Power Query and any external connections so you work with current numbers. Make a backup copy to avoid irreversible changes and enable calculation options you need. For example, iterative calculation for circular logic. Once done, inspect the data model relationships and sample a few key tables so you know where values come from and can plan the update steps that follow. You now update the core logic and visuals. Edit Power Query steps to trim, merge, or filter data, then load only the columns you need to reduce workbook size. Next, revise DAX measures and calculated columns so totals and ratios reflect the new schema. Make sure slicers still map to the same fields. After that, update charts, pivot layouts, and conditional formatting. Resize dashboard tiles and reposition KPI cards so labels remain legible, and comparisons stay. You finish by validating the dashboard end-to-end. Test several scenarios and cross-check grand totals against original sources so you catch mapping errors. Protect the layout, freeze header rows, and set automatic refresh schedules for live data. If something breaks, like missing fields, stale cache, or broken query links, reconnect the source or edit the query steps to remap columns, clear Power Query cache, and refresh all. Finally, document changes so future updates are faster and safer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.